Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel, Cherish Coco. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to accept the new YouTube Partner Program 10. In case you're not getting it directly from your dashboard, all you need to do is just go straight to your N. So just click on the N, then you see the message that YouTube has sent to you. Action required: accept new terms to stay in the YouTube Partner Program and start earning short ads revenue. All right, so all you need to do is just click on Get Started. So let's click on Get Started and click on Review. All right, so click on the review and click on the I accept the base and accept. All right, so base 1 is done, and just click on the 2, which is base 2. Click on the watch page terms, review it, accept. All right guys, so this is what you have to do. Just click on submit. Start earning from short feed ads. You cannot turn on short feeds monetization to earn from ads. Later, go turn on. Turn on. That is all about turning on monetization. Thank you so much for tuning in this video. See you soon on my next video. Bye bye.